Hello and welcome to the RC Shop here on Tandem C Television. Before I go any further, guys, if you would, please hit the like button down below. And if you'd like to keep up with this build, just hit the subscribe button. All right, with that out of the way, I was at my local shop this weekend, my local RC shop, and decided it was time that I build a scale crawler. I've been wanting to do this for a while now and went ahead and pulled the trigger while I was there. I decided on the Axial SCX10 2 kit. This is Axial's 10th scale kit. It comes with a 2000 Jeep Cherokee clear body. What it doesn't come with, guys, is electronics, including radio, receiver, ESC, servo, motor, or battery. So why the kit then when there's a ready-to-run version available? Well, there's a few reasons I chose the kit over the ready-to-run version. The first reason, there's no roof rack with the ready-to-run version. That's right, they bypassed the roof rack with the ready-to-run, and I want to build a scale vehicle. I'm looking to take advantage of that roof rack with some scale details. Two, the steering and suspension links with the ready-to-run are much cheaper and thinner compared to the kit links. That's one upgrade I don't need to make in the future by going and choosing the kit version. Three, the kit has a lower center of gravity transfer case compared to the older style one that comes with the ready-to-run version. I'm planning to build a course in the backyard and crawling this thing through it. Center of gravity is important in crawling, and that's a second upgrade that I won't be needing to make in the future with the kit version. And last, I just much rather get my hands dirty and build the kit. When I've installed every piece of the kit and built it from the ground up, if issues arise in the future or I want to install upgrades, it's no big deal. I already know how to do it. I know how the thing works inside and out. Okay, well, I can't wait, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and get this building process started. I'll update you as I progress through the build and let you know of any issues I may run into. Here I've got the axles fully assembled. The housings themselves are formed from plastic, but all the gears and axles inside are fully metal. The plastic for the housings it's very solid and nicely detailed. You can see there's a good bit of detail in the diff housing, and I really like the integrated Axial logos. I'm not sure how much I'm into the red color, but nice nonetheless. The assembly was very straightforward and went together quickly. Be sure to apply the supplied grease, a liberal amount of that supplied grease, to the gears on the inside. Also, Axial supplied blue thread locker, and use that as indicated by the instructions. The steering and suspension links seem like very quality pieces. The link sections are a large diameter aluminum capped by plastic ends. I like how there's an Axial logo cast into each rod end. It's a very nice detail. These assembled together very easily using a stud system. I recommend using 2 Allen wrenches to make the assembly a bit easier. Using this assembly method will save your fingers and make assembly much more rapid. Something I didn't mention concerning the shocks is that the kit comes with aluminum body shocks, where the ones with the ready-to-run version are plastic. The caps on the kit version are also plastic, but with a false aluminum reservoir. It actually looks kind of nice. The kit provides 30-weight shock oil and comes with 1 set of springs. The front and rear spring rates are different, so keep that in mind when you're assembling the kit. I'm using an RC 4-wheel drive brushed 20-tooth crawler motor, and here it is installed to the transmission and transfer case. Note the drop transfer case for a lower center of gravity. Again, like the axles, all gears are metal except for the plastic spur gear. When assembling the transmission, I would advise taking note of all the small parts. I'm specifically referring to the bearings and pins. The bearings and pins used in step 18 are very close to the same sizes as the ones used in step 20. If you mix them up, it will result in having to unassemble and reassemble the entire case. Trust me, I learned that lesson. Here's the front and rear drive shafts. For the most part, they're plastic. The coupler sets on each end are metal, but everything in between is plastic. These may be the first parts that I end up upgrading. Here's the chassis fully assembled. The frame rails are metal. I'm not sure if they're steel, but they're definitely heavier than aluminum. Every other part on the chassis is from formed plastic. The plastic pieces seem quality and are nicely detailed. Also, the receiver box is sealed to be waterproof. I'll be using Castle Sidewinder 3 waterproof ESC. The shop I bought it from already programmed it for my crawling needs. I'm using a Venom 3000 7.2 volt nickel metal halide battery, and it fits nicely in the adjustable battery tray. I've also installed Arrma's ADS 15M 200 ounce per inch servo. It's both waterproof and has metal gears. I've included down below in the comments section links to this kit and everything I'm using for the build if you'd like to build your own. Thank you for watching, and I'll continue this build in the next video to come. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to continue watching. Thanks again, guys, and see you soon.